Hello, and thank you for joining Paper Crafting with Tracy. Today I'm going to show you the Key to My Heart January 2023 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So, inside it comes with our usual instruction sheet with the design and instructions for the 3 different cards. And on the back it, of course, gives you some ideas of some alternatives as well as what's included. So some of the things that were included in this kit is fresh freesia. Oops, let me see if I can get so you can see it there. The stamp spot, that's one of the in colors. There was all kinds of dies in this one, die cuts. So there was some vellum, some different labels, a bunch of these locks with the keys. There was some twine that was involved in this, and this is it looks like it's a calypso coral. Dimensionals and some little glue dots. The stamp set this time is all Valentine's related. So if I can't really show you too well, but it's to my Valentine, I love you, love is the key, and you hold the key to my heart is what they say. And then the envelopes. Okay, just some white envelopes with the keys on the inside. So the designs for the 3 cards that were included in the instructions. Here's this one here, and when you open it. Okay, this was another one. And the final one here. So those are all what was included. So some of the alternatives that I did for this one. I added some frayed ribbon to this, and I just took one of the stamps, the heart stamp, and with the fresh freesia I stamped right on the ribbon, okay, just to add another dimension to that. And then just used one of the other stamp sets that was in there, otherwise everything else was included. Okay, this one here, everything again was included. It was just reorganizing it all into a different pattern. I used again some of the frayed ribbon in this one again and just stamped To My Valentine across it. Hopefully you can see that okay. And just added some more of the locks and the key. Okay, this one here I used the heart punch and the scalloped heart punch that are in the annual catalog. Okay, and this one, I mean, you could use this for Valentine's, you could use it for an anniversary, or just an I because to your favorite someone. And the final one of Valentine's that I made, and this one here is the heart stamp set that is in the current mini catalog that is available right now. So, I hope you enjoyed this edition of Paper Crafting with Tracy. Please subscribe to my channel, and happy stamping.